Welcome to Know It All, a place to connect with researchers to answer all questions on health, science, technology, business, culture, and more. This episode on What is Machine Learning was created for you by Sarai. In this topic, Know It All will answer: what is machine learning? What tools are used in machine learning? Where is machine learning most successful? Machine learning is a form of artificial intelligence, AI, that enables computers and other machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It utilizes algorithms and statistical models which identify patterns in large datasets, allowing the machine to learn as it processes new information. Machine learning can be used for applications such as speech recognition, object classification, facial recognition, optical character reading, OCR, recommendation systems, and natural language processing, NLP. In simple terms, machine learning involves feeding an algorithm with training examples or past experiences, that the algorithm can acquire knowledge about how certain tasks are done based on this experience. The aim here is not necessarily focused on coming up with one single solution, but rather identifying multiple possible solutions by analyzing various input variables related to each task at hand and applying them accordingly within its environment, thus providing more accurate output results over time when attempting similar problems once again in future iterations or activations. This type of AI programming allows developers around the world to take advantage of predictive analytics capabilities, thereby enabling smarter decision-making through automated means instead of having human labor interpret all incoming inputs manually on every step along their respective paths towards achieving desired outcomes down the line. This ultimately results in much higher accuracy rates than those achieved via traditional methods relying mainly upon heuristic reasoning and manual interpretations only due to a lack of technology available before these newer advancements arrived on the scene nowadays. There are several tools commonly used in machine learning today. 1. Python. This programming language has become one of the most popular languages for ML due to its ease of use as well as its wide range of libraries available for use by developers including scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow among others. It also contains many packages dedicated towards helping with basic machine learning tasks such as NumPy or Pandas, which contain functions specifically designed for handling large datasets efficiently, making them ideal choices when working on real-world problems like predicting stock prices or fraud detection applications. 2. R. This is another common choice amongst researchers who want an open-source platform along with a vast library resource full of statistical techniques. This is useful in solving complex scientific computing-related issues such as regression modeling and time series analysis. 3. SAS Enterprise Miner, a software suite developed around predictive analytics capabilities allowing users access to advanced methods within text mining, neural networks, and other supervised/unsupervised model building technologies. 4. MATLAB Toolbox, popularly used by engineers across all disciplines wanting easy integration into their existing workflows through pre-built block sets covering classification, clustering, and optimization processes alongside image processing features too. Usually seen embedded inside products providing sophisticated interfaces built upon these powerful underlying mathematical operations. 5. Apache Spark mLibs offers similar functionalities but dispersed over a distributed environment, enabling massive parallel observation crunching projects especially suited towards big data solutions. Includes multiple classifiers supporting feature engineering measures besides natural language processing capabilities, turning unstructured texts into structured objects suitable for both research lab experiments where raw information needs breaking down before further investigations take place. Where is machine learning most successful? 1. Healthcare. Medical diagnoses can be improved through image analysis using machine learning models which look at patient imagery and use automated systems like those used in facial recognition technology. 2. Financial services. Banks are able to consider large amounts of customer data quickly when making loan approvals or flagging fraudulent activities. 3. Manufacturing. Machines equipped with computer vision systems can now detect defects on assembly lines without any manual effort involved. 4. Retail. Companies are utilizing ML-driven personalization tools for product recommendations based on previous purchases made online or within physical stores. Additionally, AI chatbots provide an efficient way for customers' questions regarding order statuses to have immediate responses. 5. Automotive industry. Self-driving vehicles rely heavily upon autonomous driving technologies powered by machine learning models trained off real-world datasets collected from sensors around the vehicle. 6. Education sector. Personalized tutoring apps employ natural language processing techniques alongside other advanced machine learning algorithms so teachers get enhanced insights about each student's progress. Thank you for listening. For more answers to questions on health, science, technology, business, culture, and more, don't forget to subscribe to Know It All.